Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Fatma here with first lecture of SST of 4th class. Hopefully all of you are fine. Dear students, open page number 2, unit number 1, geography, chapter number 1, the earth in space. In space, the earth is like a huge ball. We call this shape a sphere. It is not quite round, but is flattened at the top and the bottom, that is at the top and the bottom, at the north and south pole. This is north pole and south pole, and earth is flattened at north and south pole. Hundreds of years ago, people had various ideas about the earth. Some people thought it was a flat. Most believed that earth was at the center of the universe. They thought the sun and the planet moved round the earth. Today we know quite a lot about the earth, the other planets, the sun, the stars and space. Astronauts have been into space in a spaceship. Man has even landed on the moon. Astronauts are the people who study the space and they go in space in a spaceship. Machines called space probes have been sent out into the space to find out more about the universe. Satellites orbit go round the earth. They receive and send radio and television signals and gather and send information such as high quality image of space back to the earth. Some satellite images have been used to improve maps. These are satellite images. Now open page number 3. When we talk about the earth and its movement, we use some special words. Here are some that you should know. Orbit. Orbit is the path of earth around the sun. Other planets and satellites have also orbits. Axis. Axis is an imaginary line which running from North Pole to the South Pole through the center of the earth. The earth is tilted at 23.5 degree on its axis. Equator. Equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves from the middle of the earth. Hemisphere. Hemi means half. It means hemisphere means half of earth. The equator divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere in equal part. Cardinal directions. Cardinal directions, the four main points of a compass, north, south, east and west, are called cardinal directions. Intermediate direction. The directions in between the cardinal direction on a compass, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest, are called intermediate directions. Rotation. Rotation is the movement of earth on its axis. The earth spins or rotates from west to east on its axis, and earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate once around its axis. Revolution. At the same time, the earth is moving around the sun also. This movement is called revolution, and the earth takes a year to revolve around the sun. The moon is the earth's natural satellite. There are two types of satellite, natural satellite and artificial satellite, and the moon is the natural satellite of earth. It revolves around the earth. Each complete revolution takes 28 days. The movement of moon around the sun is completed in 28 days. The effect of rotation and revolution of the earth. The rotation of the earth causes day and night, and the different seasons and climatic conditions on the earth are caused by its revolution round the sun and by the tilt of its axis. Places that are closer to the equator are generally hot throughout the year, and places that are further away from the equator have different seasons. As the earth turns round, half of it is always facing the sun. It is daytime. The other half is in darkness, night at the same time. The tilt of earth on its axis means that at the North Pole there is 24 hours of daylight for several months over summer, mid-April to August. That is, North Pole receives 24 hours daylight from April to August in summer, while there is a complete darkness for several months during winter, October to early March. At South Pole, the opposite is true. It is summer there between October and March with 24 hours of daylight, and in winter between mid-April to August when there is a complete darkness in southern hemisphere, that is on South Pole. The world is a huge sphere, but we use flat maps to show us part of it. Maps need a clear title, scale, and a key to help us understand them. You will use many different maps in this book. Here is a map of the world showing the continents and the oceans. You can see this is a part of Earth, and in this map only continents and oceans are showing. There are 7 continents in the world map: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Oceania, Antarctica. These are 7 continents. And 5 oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. And it also shows the lines of latitude: middle line, equator at 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Dear students, open page number 2 and mark the blanks and book reading questions of chapter number 1. In second paragraph on page number 2, first blank from third line, most believe that the earth was at the center of the universe. The answer of first blank is universe. Second blank, machines called space probes have been sent out into the space to find out more about the universe. The answer of second blank is space probes. Come on page number 3, third blank. Orbit is the path of Earth round the Sun. This is third blank. Fourth blank, the Earth is tilted at 23.5 degree on its axis. The answer of fourth blank is 23.5 degree. Fifth blank, hemi means half. Half is the answer of fifth blank. There is first book reading question. Write this question on a sticky note and mark answer on your book from here to here. Question number 1 book reading is, what are cardinal directions? North, south, east and west are called cardinal directions. Write question on a sticky note neatly. Question number 2, what is rotation? The earth spins or rotates from west to east on its axis, or you can write this definition also: the movement of earth when it spins or rotates from east to west on its axis is called rotation. Sixth blank is, earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate once. Mark these blanks on your book also. Seventh blank is, the earth takes a year to revolve around the sun. A year is the answer of seventh blank. Now open page number 4. Eighth blank, the rotation of earth causes day and night. Rotation is the answer of eighth blank. Ninth blank, places that are close to the equator are generally hot throughout the year. Hot is the answer of ninth blank. And 10th blank, places that are farther away from the equator have different seasons. Seasons is the answer of 10th blank. Now dear students, open page number 6. This is work page. You have to learn the definition of all these from 1 to 7. Astronaut. Astronaut means a person trained to travel in a spacecraft. Revolution, a circular movement around another object. Orbit, the path of a planet. Globe, a spherical model of the earth. Axis, an imaginary line through the center of the earth. Axis, an imaginary line at the center of the earth. Equator, an imaginary line round the middle of the earth. Hemisphere, half of the earth. You will learn these definitions by heart. B part, write these words in the correct spaces on the diagram. Northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere, equator, north pole and south pole. Northern hemisphere is this is southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Here is north pole, this is south pole, and this line is called axis, and this line is called equator. We divide the earth into two equal halves. I made an arrow for northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is up in the earth. Okay, C part. Look at the map on page number 7 and complete these sentences using the cardinal or intermediate direction. The police station is to the west of the school. This is a map. This is a school. And police station is to the west of the school. This is police station. The school is to the north of the house. The hospital is in the northwest of the town and the farm is in the southeast of the town. Open page number 7. B part. List the 7 continents and 5 oceans. Find them on a globe. First continent Asia, second continent Africa, third continent Europe, fourth continent North America, fifth continent South America, sixth continent Australia or Oceania. Australia is also called Oceania. Seventh continent Antarctica. First ocean, this is O. First ocean Pacific Ocean, second ocean Atlantic Ocean, third ocean Indian Ocean, fourth and Arctic Ocean, and fifth Southern Ocean. Dear students, complete your work page and also learn book reading questions and blanks. Dear students, these are exercise questions of chapter number 1, page number 5. Question number 1, describe the shape of the earth and what is this shape called? The earth is like a huge ball and we call this shape a sphere. Explain the difference between rotation and revolution. Rotation, the movement of earth when it spins or rotates on its axis is called rotation. Revolution, the movement of earth around the sun is called revolution. How seasons are caused? Seasons are caused by revolution of earth around the sun and tilt of its axis. Question number 4, where on the earth's surface is the sun hottest throughout the year? Answer is areas that are closer to the equator are hot throughout the year. Question number 5 is, what is difference between globe and map? Globe represent the whole earth. Map may represent the whole earth or just a part of it. Question number 6 is, explain why there is a complete darkness at North Pole for 24 hours a day in December. Because in winter the North Pole tilted away from the sun, so it receives no light from sun whole day in December.